Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to create your own uplifting worship mixes using modern AI tools, even if you're just starting out. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact process I personally use on my YouTube channel, Island Groove Revival, to write worship songs, produce music, design high-click thumbnails, and publish videos that truly connect with hearts and grow an audience. This method is perfect for worship leaders, content creators, and anyone who wants to create inspiring worship mixes using accessible tools like ChatGPT, Suno AI, Leonardo AI, and CapCut. Section 1. Planning your worship mix. Everything begins with the heart of your mix, the concept. Before you touch any tool, ask yourself a simple but powerful question. What is the emotional theme of this worship mix? Is it peace, gratitude, surrender, revival, healing, or thanksgiving? Write your idea down in one clear sentence. For example, a reggae worship mix that brings peace and trust in God's faithfulness. This single sentence will guide every creative decision you make moving forward. Section 2. Using ChatGPT to generate songs and content. Now that your concept is clear, it's time to work with ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and enter a prompt like this. Generate an uplifting worship song title and full lyrics in the style of a gospel reggae duet. Include a strong emotional hook, clear structure with verses and choruses, and worshipful language that deeply connects with listeners. ChatGPT will generate a song title, complete lyrics, and often additional creative ideas you can build on. You can also ask ChatGPT to generate your YouTube video description, hashtags, and high-CTR title ideas. This is where creativity and AI work together. Section 3. Creating the music with Suno AI. Now let's bring your worship song to life. Go to Suno AI and paste in the lyrics and style instructions you generated with ChatGPT. For example, your style prompt might be deep emotional gospel reggae worship, slow one-drop groove, male and female duet, choir harmonies, warm bass, gentle organ pads, and emotional brass accents. I've included a Suno AI link in the description to help you get started easily. Suno will generate your song based on the lyrics and musical direction you provide. You can generate multiple versions and refine the style until the music truly feels right for your worship mix.
In the quiet of my heart, you're already here.
Stillness speaks.
Section 4. Designing click-worthy thumbnails with Leonardo AI. With your audio ready, it's time to create a thumbnail that actually gets clicks. Open Leonardo AI and use a prompt focused on emotion and humanity, such as a cinematic thumbnail featuring a worshipful human expression, strong emotional presence, bold but clean colors, high contrast, and a sense of live praise. You can even ask ChatGPT to help refine your thumbnail prompt for maximum impact. Your goal is simple. Create a thumbnail that makes someone pause and say, "I need to hear this."
Faithful all my days, still you remain
Steady and true.
Section 5. Assembling everything in CapCut. Next, open CapCut, a free and powerful video editor. Import your Suno-generated worship song. Add your thumbnail as a static image or a gentle animated background. Sync your audio, add text overlays like the song title, and include timestamps if you want. CapCut allows you to export high-quality videos that are perfect for YouTube and social platforms. Section 6. Uploading and optimizing for YouTube. Once your video is ready, upload it to YouTube. Use the high-CTR title generated by ChatGPT. Paste in your optimized description and hashtags. Upload the thumbnail you created with Leonardo AI, add timestamps, pin a meaningful comment, and publish when your audience is most active. These small optimizations make a big difference in reach and retention. Conclusion, final encouragement. And that's it! You now know how to create uplifting worship mixes using AI tools, from concept to publication, in a way that connects with hearts and grows your audience. Remember, this is a creative journey. Experiment with prompts, explore different styles, and allow your unique voice to emerge. Thank you for watching, and I truly hope this helps you build something powerful, meaningful, and worship-centered.